In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workflow in Wrike in just 5 minutes. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser as long as it can connect to the internet smoothly. In the search bar, type in Wrike and hit enter. This will take you to the main Wrike website. Once you're on Wrike's homepage, you'll see options to either log in if you already have an account, or try Wrike for free if you're new to the platform. Choose the option that suits your situation. If you need to sign up, simply follow the prompts to create your account. But for this demonstration, let's assume you're already logged in. Now that you're inside your Wrike dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile photo. This is your access point to your account settings. Click on your profile photo, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can adjust various parameters of your account and workspace. Among these settings, you'll find a section labeled Workflows. Navigate to this section as it is where you'll be constructing your new workflow. Here, you'll notice a plus button, which is your starting point for creating a new workflow. Go ahead and click the plus sign. As soon as you click that, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with an important choice, deciding whether your new workflow will apply to tasks, projects, or both. Choose the one that fits your needs best. For instance, if you're looking to manage individual task steps, select Tasks, or if you need to follow stages of a project, Projects might be more appropriate. If in doubt, you can always choose both for maximum flexibility. After making your selection, look for an option that says Create New Workflow from the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken straight to the workflow editor. This is where the magic happens. In the workflow editor, you can get as creative as you like. You'll have the opportunity to add various statuses and customize the workflow's steps to meticulously align with your team's processes. Take a moment to think about what each status represents in the life cycle of your task or project. It could be as simple as To Do, In Progress, and Done, or more complex with multiple stages reflecting your unique process. Remember to review your workflow for logic and ease of use, ensuring it truly serves your intended goals. And there you have it. A new workflow in Wrike, set up and ready to streamline your projects efficiently.